2, 4, 6 in the bunk room alone. And of course, mom and dad can sleep up in the bedroom there. So you have sleeping for 12 in a floor plan that's just under 32 foot. Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, product manager of the Cougar division here at Keystone RV. I am out here at the Florida RV Super Show. We've got 18 Cougars on display at this show. We've got something for basically everybody. We've got rear dens, front living rooms, rear living rooms, front bath, bunkhouse, and fifth wheel and travel trailer. And I'm actually really excited to showcase the 2 brand new Cougar Sport models. I'm going to showcase the 2700 BH here in just a second. Let's go check it out. All right, now we're inside the all-new Cougar Sport 2700 BH. I gotta tell you, this floor plan is awesome. Comes in at 31 foot, 10 inches, right at about 7,600 pounds dry weight, and it is loaded with sleeping. This is for that family that wants to get out and be super adventurous. You could sleep 2 adults on the trifold sleeper sofa, another 2 on the dinette, 2, 4, 6 in the bunk room alone, and of course, mom and dad can sleep up in the bedroom there. So you have sleeping for 12 in a floor plan that's just under 32 foot. Furthermore, on bunkhouses, typically you just don't get all of that kitchen countertop space. This comes loaded with tons of countertop space and of course a ton of cabinet space. And we use all Fuzion appliances with our 12-volt refrigerator, Fuzion microwave, range hood as well. But this new feature that I absolutely love is our Vizio Smart TV. So now you're on a rainy day, you're watching Netflix, maybe Amazon, maybe Disney, what have you. But you've got it, that's come standard on. Bedroom features a queen-size bed, tons of storage up there as well, 3 huge drawers. And then you also have closets on both sides of the bed and little nightstands as well. Shower, great vanity, 3 drawers in there, huge medicine cabinets for the whole family. You've got a spot for all that. All right, we sure hope to see you out here this week at the Florida RV Super Show. Again, I'm Scott Taylor, product manager of Cougar. Come check us out.